Welcome back. I'm Pratap here. Today is 2nd May 2024. In this video, let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for daily income trade and hourly income trade. They are nothing but short-term income trade setups. So even before that, a small announcement please. If this is your first visit to our channel, please understand we are providing complete free training on supply demand zone price action. So I have provided the link to all the training videos at our YouTube channel. So please visit the channel. There you click on the community tab. And then in this post, you click on this YouTube link that will take you to the playlist Supply Demand Zone Price Action course. So in this playlist, all the training videos are available in an order. So please go to the bottom of this page. Here starting from lesson 1.1, you can access all the training lessons. So please go through all these lessons and strengthen your skills. I have also provided the link to the Telegram channel in this YouTube video description. So please join in that channel. It will be helpful to you. Each time when we release a new video, we will provide an update in the channel. Now let's get into the report generation with the help of NeoStock software, Supply Demand Zone Top-Down Analysis Strategy Builder. Okay, now let us, in the first report, let us find the bullish trade setup for daily income trade. For daily income trade, entry time frame is 15 minutes. For bullish trade setup, entry zone should be demand zone. That means we are going to plan our trades in the demand zone, long trades. And in the third row, the bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in 15 minutes time frame, because it is our entry time frame. In 15 minutes time frame, you need to select bullish. And also I would like to add 3 more additional filters to filter the stocks, because we don't trade on the pierced zones. So that's why we don't want pierced zones. So we have a parameter called pierced count. Look into this parameter, the last parameter in this page. In pierced count, because entry time frame is 15 minutes and our entry zone is demand zones, this filter will be applied to 15 minutes demand zone. So set the minimum value as 0, maximum value as 0. That indicates the pierced count should be 0. Pierced count 0 means the zone is not pierced. And the second filter, zone achievement. So the zone achievement should be VOZ, violated opposing zone. That achievement should be there. Then only we trade. Otherwise, we don't trade those zones. And the minimum odd enhancer score for bullish or bearish trade setup should be 12. So I'm setting the value 12. So with these filters, let us generate the report. So now 13 stocks are filtered. That means these 13 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for daily income trade. So focus on these stocks. So I'll be giving you only few seconds time and move on to the next report. So please pause the video. You can study all these columns. If required, you can also draw on the charts using this timestamps in the leg in and the number of base candles and also timestamp in leg out. You can take those details and you can draw the zones in your charts. In case if you don't know how to understand this report, please complete lesson 21.1. That is part 1 of lesson 21. There I explained each and every column in detail, all the abbreviations. But remember, these reports should be used only those who completed supply demand zone price action course. Otherwise, no meaning in referring these reports. In case if you did not complete the course, complete the phase 1 and phase 2 training programs until lesson 20. After that, you can access the reports, and with the help of these reports, you can plan your trades. Okay, this is about a bullish trade setup. Now let us generate a bearish trade setup for daily income trade. So I'm going back. So for daily income trade, bearish trade setup, entry time frame is 15 minutes, but this time entry zone should be supply zone. because bearish trade setup we always plan short trades in supply zones. And also one more change you have to do. In bullish or bearish trade setup parameter in 15 minutes time frame, you need to change the value to bearish. And remaining filters are same, but this time the filters will be applied to the supply zone. Earlier the filters are applied to demand zone because we selected entry zone, demand zone. Now entry zone we selected as a supply zone. All the three filters, pierced zone, zone achievement, minimum odd and enhancer score, they are all applied to the supply zone. Now let us generate the report. So these 7 stocks are filtered. That means they are supporting bearish trade setup for daily income trade. Now let us generate bullish and bearish trade setups for hourly income trade. For hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes. First we will generate bullish trade setup. So entry zone is demand zone. And also in bullish or bearish trade setup parameter, in 5 minutes, because entry time frame is 5 minutes, let us select bullish. And the 3 filters also we will set. First filter is zone is not pierced. So in the pierced count, we need to set the value zeros. Yeah, in pierced count in 5 minutes time frame, because that is our entry time frame. So minimum value 0 and maximum value 0 indicates zone is not pierced. And also zone achievement, you need to set VOZ, violated opposing zone, and minimum odd enhancer score, minimum value you have to set 12. So with these filters, let us generate the report. Now 4 stocks are filtered. These 4 stocks are supporting bullish trade setup for hourly income trade. Okay, now let's generate the next report, bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. So I am going back. For bearish trade setup for hourly income trade, entry time frame is 5 minutes, but entry zone should be supply zone. And also bullish or bearish trade setup, in the 5 minutes time frame, I am changing the value to bearish. Remaining 3 filters what we said earlier, they remain same, but this time the filters are applied to the supply zone, because entry zone is the supply zone. Now let us filter the stocks and generate the report. So now 9 stocks are filtered. These 9 stocks are supporting bearish trade setup for hourly income trade. And in the final report, let us generate stop buffers based on daily ATR. So this column is the daily ATR, and 5% ATR should be used for daily income trade, 3% ATR should be used for hourly income trade. And the first 17 in this list are indices, sectorial indices. Remaining all are equity stocks listed in F&O segment. So what I do, I keep on scrolling this list down by giving you only few seconds time. Whichever the stock you want to refer, there you please pause the video. So let me scroll down. So this is the end of the report. Hope this information is useful to you for your further study and analysis. Let us all meet again in our next video. Thank you.